Yeah.
Okay! Hello, Lyfstylers!
Hello, Lyfstylers!
Good afternoon!
Good afternoon. Good
Dahil
evening.
lockdown ngayon, mag-unboxing muna po tayo. May dumating po na package sa amin yesterday. So, hinintay namin na we are both off, then we can open it. So,
Actually,
come and join and watch kung ano man ang meron na dumating na package. So, tingnan natin kung ano ito. Okay! Come on, Bobby. Help me, please.
parang birthday gift ko.
Yeah, continue na.
Okay. Punitin na natin. Yan. Woohoo! Oh! Nice.
Mga ka-Lyfstylers, ano po ang dumating?
Oh! Panibagong gadget.
Tara!
Mini. Ang Lyfstyler.
It's a Mavic Mini.
Mavic Mini.
So, may drone na kami!
Yan, mga ka-Lyfstyler. Mavic Mini. Yeah. Bagong gadget sa pag-vlog ni Lyfstyler.
Okay.
Okay,
Ngayon, nasa ng ano?
sandali. Kuha muna tayo.
Kuha mo na pang open. So, in Manchester po, Lyfstyler, we are on lockdown. We are on Tier 3 lockdown. On where, we're going to tell you more about the Tier 3 lockdown. So we're going to share it with you as well para at least may matutunan naman tayo dito sa vlog natin. Kahit nag-unboxing tayo, we're still going to share you something, facts that you can learn and you can learn.
So, open this one now. Dahan-dahan lang.
Dahan-dahan bigla si Mavic Mini.
Ano to?
So walang biyahe ngayon, kaya unboxing muna tayo.
Trouble. Kasi malaki ang multa. Big fine. When you're being caught outside of your area. There you go. Yay. Mavic 3 Mini.
GI.
Yes, that's
So,
Ito pong laman.
ng box dapat. So, tingnan natin kung it is right. So, anong meron dito dapat.
yeah. Plug.
So, this is the plug.
And this is the battery, I think. Ilan bang battery?
May
Tatlo?
batteries.
3.
So, tatlo?
Yeah.
That's good.
1, 2, 3.
So,
Two of this guard.
ito, guard ng kanyang LEC
The manual.
manual. So, yung mga booklet po. So, eto na po. Buksan natin. So, hindi siya gaanong malaki. So, yan!
This is the manual.
Ang cute.
Small one, isn't it?
Small one.
Don't need the big one anyway.
Yeah, just need a small one. The thing is, meron lang tayong makapture pag magbibiyahe tayo kasi Mas maganda pag may ano tayo, may top view, diba? Mga lifestyler. Kaka-excite.
The spare rotor blade.
How many? And this one, what's this?
That's the spare rotor blade.
Looks like a case.
No, it's not.
The charger. Battery charger. So where's the wire?
It's in here, I think. Oh no, it's not just the wire. So she got no spare rotor blade, is it? No.
No spare.
No.
Oh.
I thought it was a spare one.
She will
And
buy
this
a
one.
What's this
Ah,
then?
there is, mommy. No, this is. Sorry, this is the spare rotor blades.
So how many?
That's should be.
Three.
Just
Three as
three
well.
only, yeah.
Okay.
So this is the spare rotor blade, yeah. There you go.
And this one, this is the remote.
So
So, ang kinaganda sa kanya, ano na siya, one set na siya, tapos may case pa siya. So, kaya ito nang kinuha namin para wala na kami problemahin pa, diba? So, everything is in there. Ano pa siya, maliit pa siya. Ang importante lang meron tayo makukuha na. Kung travel tayo, may top view tayo makikita. Got to charge it. Tatlong wire tayo.
yung wire niyan.
Lyfstylers. Para nga sa charger ng battery.
It's a different charging thing. Charger wire. Apple, like a Samsung one.
Ayan.
No, it's not. We're going to charge it first. Yeah.
So may ano siya for changing.
Right. How can I?
May maliit siyang screwdriver. Siguro for changing the propeller. This is very important kasi nandito lahat ang mga manual niya. Paano magpalipad, ano ang dapat di gawin, saan lang pwede magpalipad, flight condition, battery life. So that is charging it now. So pag-aaralan pa namin to mga Lyfstylers. Still going to learn all about it.
Sealed. Yeah.
All the plastics are all sealed.
Yeah.
May mga maliliit siya na screw. Cute.
Yeah.
Very
I
cute.
think this is that joystick.
If you so good,
Yeah. Yeah.
Cute.
Dito ka maglalaro. This is the protector of the rotor blade. So when it crash landing, it won't, I think, hindi masisira.
You have to download an app.
Because we're still charging.
So we keep na.
We keep it there. Okay.
So this is the manual.
Okay.
Manual. These are the LECs. These one are the wires to go.
For the day.
That's for the day.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you, thank you.
Please don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.
Okay.
Ta-ta.
Bye-bye.
Bye. God bless everyone.